Hey, tech enthusiasts. Today, we've got something every driver needs. The lowdown on the top 5 best dash cams of 2024. Whether you're a road trip warrior or just want that extra peace of mind on your daily commute, we've scoured the tech landscape to bring you the cream of the crop in dash cam technology. From crystal clear resolution to smart features that'll make your car feel like a high-tech fortress, we've got it all. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know which dash cam is the perfect co-pilot for your journey. Let's dive into the future of dash cams. Buckle up. It's going to be a thrilling ride. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Number 5. Thinkware X1000. Effective yet user-friendly, the Thinkware X1000 comes complete with all the necessary components for front and rear recording. In our assessments, the X1000 earned high praise, particularly for its ease of use. Featuring a sizable 3.5-inch touchscreen and an icon-based interface, configuring the device is straightforward, eliminating the need for reliance on a smartphone companion app. Installation of the X1000 involves the use of several sticky pads, and while the user guide could have been more comprehensive in assisting with setup navigation, once in place, the unit feels well constructed. To unlock the full set of features, including parking surveillance, hard wiring is necessary, and optional accessories are required for GPS and radar detection. Adjustments to capture settings can be made through the touchscreen, but we found that the X1000 worked effectively right out of the box. The results from both cameras were impressive, showcasing ample crisp detail and decent dynamic range, even in dim and dark conditions. For those seeking a hassle-free and dependable dash cam, the X1000 excels in delivering the right blend of features. Number 4. Vantrue E1. Compact and tidy, the Vantrue E1 presents an appealing dash cam capable of recording 5K video at 30 FPS and full HD footage at a smoother 60 FPS for enhanced detail during your drive. Our review demonstrated sharp results both day and night, featuring accurate colors and acceptable noise levels in low light. Additionally, our tests revealed that the optional polarizing filter effectively minimizes dashboard reflections. While the E1's magnetic mount functions well, its lack of sideways adjustment does restrict its use if a central fit is not feasible. However, for those who can install it centrally, the 160-degree angle captures a broad view of the road ahead. A small 1.54-inch screen provides a preview during installation, but the smartphone app proves more useful for adjusting settings. Although lacking driver assistance systems found in some dash cams, the Vantrue E1 compensates by offering Wi-Fi and GPS connectivity. We appreciate that Vantrue prioritizes video quality over unnecessary extras, leaving the responsibility of spotting speed cameras and potential collisions to the driver or the vehicle. Number 3. Scosche NEXS10032-ET. The Scosche NEXS10032-ET app outshone its competitors in terms of functionality and overall user-friendliness. What sets it apart is its unique approach. Unlike other tested cameras, the Scosche NEXS10032-ET saves video files directly to your phone's memory. This eliminates the need for frequent Wi-Fi reconnections and cumbersome steps to access cloud-stored footage, ensuring that the Scosche app is always ready to play files instantly, wherever you are, without any delays. The 1080p video quality is sharp, and the night footage is easily distinguishable. The integrated GPS adds value by providing an overlay with a static map of your route for each file. While it doesn't offer real-time position tracking like the Nextbase app, it does display a map of your completed route. However, it's worth noting that local storage, while providing immediate access, is limited by your phone's storage capacity. The Scosche app allows you to control how much storage it uses, with older files being automatically deleted and replaced with newer ones once the limit is reached. To permanently save footage, simple processes like saving to your phone, emailing it, or uploading it to the Nextbase cloud service can be done through the mobile app. Notably, irregular road events are automatically backed up to the cloud without requiring a subscription. In terms of installation, the Scosche NEXS10032-ET took the top spot. Its power cord, designed to be concealed behind your car's interior trim, features small rubber bumps every 6 inches to prevent slipping during installation, an improvement over some competitors that could be frustratingly prone to slipping. However, a drawback to a screenless camera like this is that in the event of your phone battery dying or being damaged, immediate video viewing becomes impossible. In such cases, accessing the SD card through a computer and video player or using the Nextbase web app online for cloud footage becomes necessary. Number 2. Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2. The Garmin Mini 2 is so compact that it can easily go unnoticed behind your car's rearview mirror. Despite its small size, it records in full HD at 30 FPS with HDR. In our our assessments, delivered sharp footage capable of capturing crucial details such as registration plates, irrespective of varying ambient light and weather conditions. Our review highlighted the swift and straightforward installation process. The minimal windscreen space taken up by the plastic arm and the ball and socket joint's easy repositioning makes it a practical choice. Despite lacking a display, the interface remains user-friendly, featuring shortcut buttons that enable one-touch clip saving and microphone muting. The Garmin Drive smartphone app, available for both iOS and Android, facilitates effortless settings adjustment, recording reviews, and monitoring the camera's view. While the Garmin Mini 2's features are somewhat limited to voice controls and a collision-detecting G-sensor, the absence of GPS was the primary omission we noticed. Unless advanced driver assistance functions are a must-have, the Garmin Dashcam Mini 2 provides everything you need in a dashcam. Its simplicity, subtlety, and reliability define it as the epitome of set-and-forget technology. Number 1. Nextbase 622GW. Boasting remarkable video quality and a top-tier feature set, we consider the Nextbase 622GW to be the premier choice among current dashcams. During our testing, the 4K/30p footage exhibited a cinematic quality, showcasing sharp definition and exceptional detail. The low light and adverse weather algorithms further enhanced performance in challenging conditions. Switching to 1080p allowed for impressive 120fps slow-motion recording, facilitating the identification of details like registration numbers. While our tests uncovered a somewhat intricate setup and the need for obvious swipe inputs on the 3-inch touchscreen, we encountered challenges in connecting to smartphones for video clip transfers. Nonetheless, we believe the 622GW remains a user-friendly camera overall. Its interface proved intuitive, and the display was sizable, sharp, and clear. The camera automatically saves footage upon detecting an incident, and a prominent red button allows manual preservation of noteworthy moments. Our review highlighted the effectiveness of the built-in polarizing filter in minimizing windscreen glare and the superb performance of digital image stabilization in smoothing out road vibrations. The 622GW's integration with what 3 words is a clever feature, enabling precise location identification for distressed vehicles and swift communication with emergency services. While there are more compact options with superior voice control, if your priority is a dashcam reliably capturing clear 4K video, the 622GW stands out as our top recommendation. Alright, that's all for today's video, guys. Please drop a like if you enjoyed the video and subscribe to the channel if you'd like to see more videos like this.